How can you be known amongst your peers? Step 1. Set up the basics. Your specialty, graduation year, practice and hospital. Step 2. More importantly, keep it updated with your name card, publications, qualifications. People need you for who you are, not who you were. Step 3. Utilize the privacy setting to show selected info to selected people only. Remember, you're only as searchable as you're open. Step 4. Be active. Post often. Reach out always when you need. And don't hesitate to use our MediBear emoji to support your fellow alumni. Medical Alumni Platform helps you know and be known faster and better.